Oh yeah, it has a door track. Is that Bellstone Square?
Let's get the original indicator.
Oh, nice. Oh.
This really reminds me.
I think that's the original interlock.
This really reminds me of the John L. Welsh building at USC in Columbia.
This is definitely Westinghouse. Got the original interlock I just saw up there.
Nice.
This is definitely Westinghouse. Sorry.
Let's get off at 6.
No, I'm just gonna get. I'm gonna get off here.
Okay, you have fun. There's that thing on the door there, whatever that is. Okay, let's get off here.
Yep. Let's get up here. This is just like any other floor.
Wonder